welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this makeup look for you guys. It's a very summery, bold look, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So to start this tutorial, I have already done this. I am my brows off camera just to save time. I've also concealed my lid with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just as my base for this eyeshadow look. So the first palette I'm going to go into is the Dirty Dancing palette by Sola look, and I'm going to go into this matte purple shade called Cha-Cha. It's a beautiful, like, pastel-y lavender purple shade. I'm going to stamp that on all over my lid to give me my shape. So you should be left with something like this, a half circle of purple all over the lid. So next we're going to go into the I Love Revolution. Now that's what I call makeup 80s palette. I love this. I haven't used this on my channel yet. This is a 80s inspired makeup palette. I love the 80s, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I have used it somewhat a lot, but never on my channel. But I'm just going to go into this pastel-y light blue shade right here. I'm just going to buff that out into my crease just to give me a transition. Something like this. Now I'm just going to go back and forth into the blue, into the purple, just to get that blend, just to get that transition, so it's not looking like just two colours on top of each other. We have a seamless blend. Next we're going to go into the Zoeva Sweet Glamour palette. I'm just going to pick up the shade Fuzzy Haze, which is this matte white shade. I'm just going to buff that on the blue just to fade the blue out so we have that blend, that transition also there. So next is the cut crease look. So for that I need a flat concealer brush and a concealer. This is the Shape Tape Concealer and I'm in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm just going to cut my entire lid out. What is it? What is it? Want to say hello to the peoples? No? She's a little bit shy. Yay. So now that my cut crease lid is done, I'm now going to go back into the 80s palette, and I'm going to pick up this very vibrant royal metallic blue. Hello. Hi. And then I'm going to go in with the more rosy pink in the centre, as you can see on this lid, and my cat is here. Hi. Hello. So you should be left with something like this. So now I'm going to do the white liner. So for that I'm going to go in with the NYX White Liquid Liner, and I am kind of running out. That's why it's a little bit dry and a little bit cracky, but we need a refill on her. You can go with a cream white pigment if you would like, but I'm just going to basically draw that cut crease out with the white liner. That liner is done, I'm going to go into my wing liner, and for that I'm going to go into the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I'm just going to put my liner on, and then for lashes I'm going to go into a pair of Ardell Demi Wisp lashes, and I'm going to do that off camera because this is also drying out. So the eyes are done for now. I'm going to move on to the face makeup, and for that I'm going to start with primer. And for primer I'm going to go in with this guy. This is the Revolution Pore Blur and Prime Primer, and I'm just going to keep this to the centre portion of my face just to fill in my large pores. For foundation, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Filter Fast Luminous Foundation in the shade Porcelain. I'm going to use a stippling brush and I'm just going to blend that all over my face. Next is concealer, and for concealer I'm going to go into my Shape Tape again from Tarte. I'm just going to highlight the under eyes, between the brows, down the bridge of my nose and chin. I'm just going to blend it out with my damp beauty blender. Next is contour, and I'm going to do a cream contour today, so for that I'm going to go into the NYX Wonder stick in the lightest shade. I'm just going to use this little stump. I'm just going to contour, bring some definition and sculpture to my face. To set my face, I'm going to go into the e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powder to set my under eyes, and for the rest of my face I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Baked Balance and Glow Illuminating Foundation in the shade Fair. To warm the face up, I'm going to go into the Revolution Bronzer Kiss. This is just a matte bronzer. I'm just going to stick that everywhere where I've put my cream contour. For blush, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Pink Buttercream, and it's a really pretty shimmery pink, and this is very, very pigmented, so a little bit just go a very, very long way. I'm going to go back into that purple shade from the Dirty Dancing palette, and I'm just going to stick that underneath my eyes and blend it out. Next we're going to go into the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in a black shade. I don't actually know. Oh, it's called Fishnet. I'm just going to take that across my waterline. For highlight, I'm going to go into this little guy. This is the Baked Highlight in Sunset Glow from Laura Geller. I haven't used this in a minute, but look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. I'm going to take that on pretty much all over my face and the inner corner of my eyes. I'm just going to stick some lower mascara on, and this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It's my favourite. Love it so much. Love it so much. Two facial look off is lips, and for lips I'm going to go in with a really soft nude shade because we're going very heavy and dramatic on the eyeballs. So I'm going to go into the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London and the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Lace Detail for like an ombre soft nude. And this is the completed look. Everything that I've used will be listed down below for you guys as always. If you like this video, then please click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload, which is every Tuesday. My Instagram, Twitter and PayPal is linked down below for you guys. Any donations or support from you guys is so appreciated. It goes straight back into the channel for equipment and content for you guys. So any donation, big or small, is very much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!